Welcome back with me, Sneak Compare, and today I have another comparison video for you guys between two pairs of Nike Kyrie Infinity South Beach. So let's find out where is the difference. As you can see here on the first sample, you can see the black stitching here is on the fake one is end up like a V shape, whereas on the authentic one it's end up like a A shape. You can see here, and this one also the stitching here is slightly to the left compared to the authentic one. The authentic is placed right in the middle, and also the Nike swoosh here is a little bit smaller than the authentic. You can see because the gap here is too far. And another sample again, you can see the stitching is different. It's wrong on the fake one than on the authentic. Moving to the inside part of the shoes, you can see on the midsole, on the outsole here, you can see the white glue stain. You can see on the fake one is a little bit dirty, whereas on the authentic is clean, and the shape of the midsole also is a little bit wavy on the fake one. And also this one, you can see the stitching is crooked, is too narrow on the fake one compared to the authentic. Moving to the back of the shoes, as you can see here, we can see the full logo of Kyrie. You can see standing vertical, whereas on the fake one is slightly come up on the fake one. And this one also, you can see this one is not placed right in the middle. This one is slightly to the right, and this one is the easiest part of spotting fake Kyrie Infinity. You can see the signature here is slightly to the right. It's not placed right in the middle. And this one also, you can see slightly go down. And this one also is messed up. You can see here slightly come up here. This one is slightly to the left. This one is slightly to the left also. And another sample again, you can see this one is slightly to the left also. This one. And this one slightly go down. Another sample again, this one is not placed right in the middle again. This one is slightly to the right. Another sample again, this one is slightly come up. You can see here it's too high. And this one is slightly to the left also. Alright guys, that's my explanation. I hope you get it, and if you have any question and request, just write down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next video.